everyone, and welcome back to the Gentle English Start. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Hi, everybody.
How are you doing today, Jake?
I'm good, thanks. A bit sleepy, actually. I didn't get up until about 9 o'clock this morning.
9 o'clock? Really? That's so late.
I know. And that's actually perfect for today's topic, isn't it?
Yes, today we're talking about morning routines, how we start our day, what we do first thing in the morning, and all those little habits we have.
And I think we're very different, Emma and I. She's an early bird, and I'm definitely not.
That's true. So this should be an interesting conversation. Let's get started.
Okay, Emma, tell me about your morning. What time do you usually wake up?
Well, I set my alarm for 6 o'clock, 6 a.m.
6 o'clock? That's so early. Why do you wake up so early?
I like having time in the morning. I don't like to rush. If I wake up early, I can do everything slowly and calmly. It feels nice.
That makes sense. So what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
The very first thing, I turn off my alarm, obviously. Then I sit up in bed for a minute or two. I don't jump out of bed immediately.
Oh, me too. I need a few minutes to wake up properly.
Exactly. Then I get up and go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It really wakes me up.
Cold water? Brr. I can't do that. I use warm water.
Cold water is refreshing. You should try it.
Maybe. So after you wash your face, what do you do next?
I go to the kitchen and drink a big glass of water. They say it's good to drink water first thing in the morning before you have coffee or tea.
I've heard that too. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I do, but not immediately. First, I drink water, then I make coffee. I have a coffee machine, so it's very quick. I press a button and wait 2 minutes.
What kind of coffee do you drink?
Just a simple black coffee. No sugar, no milk, just coffee.
Wow, black coffee. That's strong.
I like it. It wakes me up. What about you, Jake? Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, but I have it with milk, a cappuccino or a latte, something creamy and not too strong.
That sounds nice. So tell me about your morning routine. What time do you wake up? You said 9 o'clock today, but is that normal?
Well, it depends. On work days, I set my alarm for 7:30, but on weekends, I wake up whenever I wake up. Sometimes it's 8, sometimes it's 9, sometimes even later.
Sometimes even later than 9 o'clock? Like 10 o'clock?
Sometimes, yes. If I stayed up late the night before, I need more sleep.
I see. So you're not a morning person.
No, I'm definitely not a morning person. I'm more of a night owl. I have more energy in the evening.
That's interesting. We're complete opposites. I love mornings, but by 9 p.m., I'm already tired.
Really? 9 p.m. is when I start feeling awake.
So different. Okay, when you do wake up, what's your routine?
Well, the first thing I do is I check my phone.
Oh no, Jake, that's not good.
I know. Everyone says you shouldn't check your phone first thing in the morning, but I do it anyway.
What do you check? Emails, messages?
Messages mostly, and social media. Just a quick scroll to see what's happening.
How long do you spend on your phone?
Maybe 10 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes.
That's quite a long time. You could do something more productive.
You're right. It's a bad habit, but it's hard to change. What about you? Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, but not immediately. I check it after breakfast, so maybe around 7:30 or 7.
That's good discipline. I should try that.
It's better for your mind, I think, starting the day without screens.
You're probably right. So after you drink your coffee, what do?
I make breakfast. I usually have something simple, toast with butter and jam, or sometimes I make porridge. Do you know porridge?
Yes, like oatmeal, right? With milk?
Exactly. I cook oats with milk and then I add some honey and fruit, bananas or berries.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
It is. It gives me energy for the morning. What do you have for breakfast?
Honestly, sometimes I skip breakfast.
Skip breakfast? You don't eat anything?
Sometimes. If I wake up late, I don't have time. I just grab my coffee and go.
Jake, breakfast is important. It's the most important meal of the day.
I know. My mom says the same thing. But sometimes I'm just not hungry in the morning.
Maybe you're not hungry because you eat late at night.
That's true. I often have dinner quite late, around 8 or 9 p.m.
See, if you had dinner earlier and went to bed earlier, you'd wake up earlier and be hungry for breakfast.
You're right. I should change my schedule. But when I do have breakfast, I usually have cereal with milk or sometimes eggs. I like scrambled eggs.
Yes, I make them in a pan. It only takes 5 minutes. I add a bit of cheese and some black pepper.
That sounds nice. Okay, so after breakfast, what do you do?
I take a shower. I always shower in the morning. It wakes me up.
Do you have a hot shower or a cold shower?
Hot. Definitely hot. I can't do cold showers. I tried once and it was horrible.
I sometimes end my shower with cold water, just for 30 seconds. It's very energizing.
You're braver than me. After my shower, I get dressed and then I'm ready to start the day.
What about brushing your teeth? When do you do that?
Oh, yes, good question. I brush my teeth after breakfast, before my shower. What about you?
I brush my teeth right after I wake up before breakfast. Then I brush them again after breakfast.
Twice? That's very thorough. My dentist says it's good to brush twice in the morning, once when you wake up to clean your mouth, and once after eating.
I should probably do that too.
Do you do any exercise in the morning?
Exercise in the morning? No, never. Do you?
Sometimes. Not every day, but maybe 3 times a week. I do some stretching or yoga, just 10 or 15 minutes.
Wow, you really are productive in the morning. You drink water, make coffee, eat breakfast, exercise?
It sounds like a lot, but it's not really. I have time because I wake up early. If you wake up at 6, you have a lot of time before work.
That's true. Maybe I should try waking up earlier.
You should. Just try it for 1 week and see how you feel.
Maybe, but I really do like sleeping. It's so comfortable in bed in the morning.
I understand. But you know what? After a few days, your body gets used to it. It becomes easier.
I'm not convinced, but maybe I'll try it.
What time do you leave your house in the morning? For work, I mean.
Around 8:30. I need to be at work by 9, and it takes me about 20 minutes to get there.
So you have about an hour from when you wake up until you leave.
Yes, about an hour. But like I said, I waste some of that time on my phone.
And if you didn't check your phone, you could have a proper breakfast.
True. You're giving me a lot of advice today.
Sorry, I don't mean to lecture you. Everyone is different. If your routine works for you, that's fine.
No, you're right. I could improve my morning routine. What about you? What time do you leave for work?
I leave at about 8 o'clock, so I have 2 hours in the morning. 2 full hours to do everything calmly.
2 hours? That's amazing. I can't imagine waking up that early.
You get used to it. And I go to bed early, too, usually around 10 or 10:30.
10:30? I'm usually still watching TV at 10:30.
See, that's the difference. You stay up late and wake up late. I go to bed early and wake up early.
We should swap routine for a week. That would be interesting.
That would be funny. I don't think I could stay awake until midnight.
And I don't think I could wake up at 6 a.m.
Well, listeners, we'd love to hear about your morning routines. Are you like Emma, an early bird, or are you like Jake, more relaxed in the morning?
Yes, tell us. We'd love to know. Do you have any special morning habits?
And one more question. Do you think morning routines are important? Do they help you have a better day?
I think they probably do. Even though my routine isn't perfect, I do feel better when I have a proper breakfast and don't rush.
Exactly. A good morning can make your whole day better. Well, that's all we have time for today.
Thank you so much for listening to the Gentle English Start.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation about morning routines.
And we hope it helped you practice your English listening skills.
Remember, you can listen to this episode as many times as you want. Don't worry if you didn't understand everything the first time.
That's right. Listening is a skill, and it gets better with practice.
We'll be back next week with another conversation. We're going to talk about hobbies and free time activities.
That should be fun. We'll tell you what we like to do when we're not working.
So please come back and listen.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye.